Okay, hello
พ่อมั
everyone.
นทัน
Good
นะ
afternoon.
ผมไม่ไหว
ให้หนูเปิดไมค์
Okay, so let us wait for the others.
อยู่ตรงนี้
ทักทายเลยทักทายเพื่อนเลย
ได้เลย
Hello, good afternoon. So while waiting for the others, you can say hello to
จะ
your
ได้ออก
friends.
เรื่อง
Hello, good afternoon everyone.
ฮัลโหล
You can say hi. You can greet your friends good afternoon while waiting for the others. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, very good. So we will start. So today we will have science, and our topic this afternoon is about soil. Okay, so in this lesson we will identify the different types of soil based on their physical characteristics or physical properties. And also in this lesson we will know how to make use of these different types of soil. So first let us define what soil is. Okay, so soil is the outermost solid layer of the earth. So it is a natural product formed from the weathered rock by the action of climate and living organisms. It is also a collection of natural bodies of earth that is composed of mineral and organic matter, and it is capable of supporting plant growth. So soil is made up of 45% of mineral particles, 5% of organic matter. So when we say organic matter, so these are the remains of dead leaves, dead animals, or dead plants that are being broken down into humus. Okay. Next we have 25% water held within the space of the soil, and another 25% air that fill the space between the soil. So soil is made up of 45% mineral particles, 5% organic matter, 25% water, and 25% air. Soil can be categorized into different types. So what are the different types of soil? There are three major types of soil. First, we have the sandy soil. Next, we have the loamy soil. And the third one, we have the clay soil. Now let us describe the three different types of soil. What are the different physical properties of this soil? So the three different types of soil has different color, different texture, and different water holding capacity. Now let's start with sandy soil. So sandy soil is usually found in the desert and also at the beach. So sandy soil is usually yellow or whitish. So its particles are large, so giving it a coarse texture. So the large pore space between the soil allow water to flow through easily. So therefore, sandy soil has a poor water holding capacity. So the water will just flow through sandy soil. Okay, so do not forget, sandy soil is usually found in the desert and at the beach. And usually it is yellow and whitish. and it has a coarse texture, and it has a poor water holding capacity. Okay, next we have the loamy soil. So loamy soil is usually found in the forest, gardens, and parks. So loamy soil is brown or dark brown. So its particles are smaller compared to the sandy soil. So loamy soil has a finer texture. So loamy soil contains a lot of humus, which provide the plants with nutrients. So the smaller pore spaces of loamy soil allow some water to flow through while holding back the rest of it. So therefore, loamy soil has a good water holding capacity. So again, loamy soil is usually found in the forest, gardens, and parks. So it is brown or dark brown. It has a finer texture and has a good water holding capacity. Okay, next let's proceed to the clay soil. So clay soil is usually found in swamps. So clay in their natural state come in several ranges of color, so do not be confused. Some clay soil are red, some are rusty orange, brown, gray, and even blue-gray. Maybe gray and brownish. So its particles are even smaller compared to the sandy soil and loamy soil. And clay soil has the finest texture. Okay, so the very small pore space of clay soil do not allow water to flow through. So most of the water remains in the soil. So that is why most of the clay soil stay wet. Okay, so therefore clay has a very good water holding capacity. So it means it can hold water more than the sandy soil and loamy soil. So again, clay soil is usually found in swamps. It is either gray or brownish or red or even rusty brown. It has the finest texture and it has a very good water holding capacity. So soil is very important. Okay, so it can be used in various ways according to its properties. Now let us look at some of these uses. So soil can be used for gardening and agriculture. Second, soil can be used for building and construction. Third, soil can be used for pottery. Fourth, soil can be used for water filters. And the last one, soil can be used in landfills. The first uses of soil is for gardening and agriculture. So what do you think? What type of soil is the best for gardening and agriculture? So it is the loamy soil. Okay, because loamy soil contains a lot of humus, okay, which provide plants with nutrients. So it is the best soil used to grow plants and crops. So soil is also important material in the building and construction industry. So a mixture of sandy soil and clay soil is pressed into a frame. And also, clay soil is mixed with water. So these bricks are dried in the sun and used to build houses like this one. What type of soil do you think is good for pottery? So we have the clay soil. So clay soil can be shaped. Okay, so it is used in pottery to make various items like pots, vases. Harmful solid substances in the water can be removed using sand filters. So as you can see over here, we use sandy soil, fine sand, and even rocks, right? So as water flows, as you can see over here, through the soil, so the harmful solid substance are trapped in the pore spaces. So at the end of this part here, the water is already filtered. So it means it is safe. Okay. Usually campers use this method to filter water from rivers and even from rainwaters. This is where we dump our trash. If you are familiar with it, we call it landfill. So soil is used to cover this one, to cover all the rubbish, to prevent pests and bad smell from spreading. So if you have questions, you can ask me now. Any questions? If you are confused, you can ask Teacher May. Any questions regarding our topic, types of soil? Any questions? No? Very good. So it means everything is clear. Let's have a review of everything that we have learned today. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so soil is made up of
45%
45% of
mineral particles.
very good. So soil is made up of 45% mineral particles.
I don't know.
How about the others?
5% water.
25% water, 25% air, and
25%.
okay, and 5% organic matter. Okay, very good. So organic matter, so these are dead animals, dead plants, or even dead leaves that are break down into what we call the humus. Okay. Okay. Next, what are the different types of soil? We have three. Sandy soil,
Loamy soil.
loamy soil,
Clay.
and we have
Clay soil.
clay soil. Very good. So do not forget we have sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil. So do not forget, where do you usually found sandy soil?
Beach.
Beach. Very good. How about loamy soil?
Garden.
Garden. Very good. How about clay soil? Clay soil usually found in the, start with letter S. Okay. So clay soil is usually found in swamps. Okay, very good. Swamps. So what is the texture of sandy soil? What is the texture of sandy soil? We have Yes. Okay. Sandy soil has coarse texture. Very good. How about loamy soil?
Loamy soil.
What is the texture?
Finer texture.
Okay. Good. So loamy soil has finer texture. Very good. How about the clay soil? Okay. So compared to sandy and loamy soil, clay soil has the finest texture among the three. Okay. So sandy has coarse texture. It means it's rough. Loamy soil has finer textures. Clay soil has the finest. It means the finest texture among the three. Okay. How about, let's talk about their colors. What is the color of sandy soil?
Yellow.
Okay, very good. Yellow or?
White.
Okay, so either yellow, white, or whitish. Okay? Yes, very good. How about loamy soil? Brown or? Brown or? Yes, brown or darker. Dark brown. Very good. How about clay soil?
Gray.
Gray. Yes, what else? Brownish. Yes, very good. What else? Red. Yes, it can be. And rusty brown. Okay, so what are the different uses of soil? Okay, we have for gardening and agriculture. Second, we have
Construction.
okay for building houses or construction of buildings. Okay, how about the third one?
Third one.
Gardening and agriculture, building and construction. What else? We have pottery. Okay, and the fourth one, we have the water filter. So it helps to filter the harmful substances from waters. Very good. And the last one for land fill. So it means the soil is used to cover the rubbish, the trash. Yes, to avoid the spreading of the bad smell. Okay? Since you don't have questions, I will be the one to ask you questions. So I hope you understand everything that we had learned a while ago. So, can you name the three major types of soil? Can you name the three different types of soil? Yes, friend? I'll start with you.
Sandy soil.
Yes, sandy soil. What else?
Sandy soil.
Loamy soil.
And clay soil.
Clay soil. Very good. Good job. Okay, next question. We have Keen. Can you hear me over there? Hello, Keen.
Hello.
Hi. So what is the color of loamy soil? Brown. Very good. Or it can be dark brown. Okay, very good. Good job, Ken. Okay. Yeah. What is the color of clay soil?
Brown.
Gray. Okay, it can be brownish or grays. Okay, so that's it for today. Please get your notebook, your pencil, and your eraser. Okay, so please write the date today. Today is Thursday, 27th of May, 2021. So, write their types of soil. Make a box. Write the texture, color. So if you wish to draw these 3, you can, okay? But if you don't want to, then it's up to you. The important there is you have this chart, okay? So above you can write sandy soil and make this box, write down texture and color. For loomy soil, just write down loomy soil or loam soil. And write down texture, what is the texture and color of loomy soil. And the same with the clay soil. You can draw this one or you can just write the word clay soil. And then write down what is the texture of clay soil and its color. You have to write sandy soil, loomy soil, and clay soil. Make this chart, make this table, and then write down the texture and color of each soil. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today. Thank you for your cooperation. And I'm going to see you again. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. See you again tomorrow.
Bye.